Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video I'm going to be sharing to you guys how to program a password generator using Python. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to start by importing the random module, and I'm going to create a variable a, and a is going to be equal to all the letters in the alphabet as well as all the numbers and some few symbols. So we're using this just to generate our password. So all the letters, all the numbers, and all the symbols. So right now, I'm going to create a function, and I'm going to name it generate. So generate is actually going to be the function that is going to be generating our passwords. So I'm going to create a variable password, and password is going to be equal to random dot sample a comma 8. So I'm passing in this string over here, and I'm saying 8 for it to generate 8 random characters from this string. So we don't want 7 or we don't want 9, we just want 8 characters to be generated. 8 random characters. So if I print this out, it is going to be in a list format. So let me just go ahead and print it out. So I'm going to say print password, and I'm going to call out my function, which is generate, and I'm going to run the program. So we want the password to be in a string and not in a list. So how can we accomplish that? We can accomplish that by just iterating over this list and adding all the characters in it to a new variable, which is going to be a string. So how we can do that is we're just going to do for I in passwords. So I'm just iterating over this list, and for I in password, first of all, let me just create a new variable, and I'm going to name the variable new password. So new password is going to be equal to a blank string. So here I'm going to say for I in new password, so for every character in the list password, I want to say new password plus equal to, oh sorry, this is supposed to be for I, so new password plus equal to I. So here I'm going to say for every password, I just want to add this character to it. So if it chooses A, I'm going to add it to new password. So new password is now going to be equal to A. And if it chooses 5, it's just going to be 5 plus A as a string. So that's going to be 5, 8. And as well, going to be doing that until it does it for the 8 characters. So that's what we actually want. So after that, I just want to say return new password. So this is actually just gonna return the new password, which is already as a string. So let's just bring that out and see what it's gonna give me. So let's run that now and let's see. So we're waiting, and as you can see, it gave us this over here. And let's do it over again. Let's do it again. You're gonna see that it's gonna generate another random password, and it's never gonna be the same. So that is this. The cool fact about this program is that you can just use this in a website or anything for your password. Let's say like you want a very strong password for a website, and you can just easily just use this, just integrate it and just generate a random password. So that's it for this video, guys. Please smash the like button, share to your friends and family or anybody that will find this video useful, and please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.